Alright guys and girls, we're going to show you how to replace this door trim out here. First thing you want to do is open up the door, of course. Alright, next what you want to do, you're going to have a 15 torx right here. So you want to take, now this screw right here is not part of the trim, but it is part of this long trim on the outside. And by taking this off, it'll open it up just enough so you don't have to bend anything to get it out the way. Alright, so let's get that 15 torx bolt screw out of there. Alright, we got that screw out of here, and you can see this got a little play to move out. That's good. The next thing you want to do is up here at the top of the door, you're going to have this rubber molding right here. Now there's going to be 2 Christmas tree clips inside here. So you can just reach your hand in here and pop them open. And you can see there's one right there. And there's one right there. So you're just popping this out. Bring it, bend it to the side, because there is a Phillips screw right here. Now this screw right here is actually holding on to that trim. So get your Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and take that screw out. Alright, we got our screw out, a little short screw, so be careful about that. Now the next thing you want to do is this top half, just push out a little bit. It's gonna, you can actually bring that out. Now down here, there is a clip down at the bottom, a little piece. Matter of fact, guys, let me go get the new one and show you. And down at the bottom, you got this little tab that sticks out right there. So it's on the bottom of this one. So let's put this down. So when you take this bottom one off, this is why you took that screw out. You want to bring this, try to bring this back out and pop it up. This one's already broken, and good. I'm glad you guys are seeing this, because as you can see, this one is missing the 2 clips right there to hold this thing into place, and that's why this thing, the customer's driving along and it's just flapping around. All right, now this got a protective plastic on the outside. Wait till you finally put this up there before you actually put it in. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off right here. And oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. Here, up here at the top, you have double-sided tape. So you just want to make sure you take off the protective part. All right, now what you want to do is try to hold this bottom piece out, because you want to make sure you get that piece in there. Let's bring this up a little bit. Make sure that tab fits right inside there, without messing that up. Could have did a bunch. They could have did a better job at doing this mess. See, I'm not in all the way. I ain't happy with that. There we go. Just heard it click into place. We bring this plastic up. Now on this right here, because remember we got those tabs that stick in there, so you want to make sure you push that in there and then push the tabs down. Hold that up. That is perfect. Look on the outside, make sure everything is good. Good. All right, next thing you want to do is bring this back again and make sure your screw hole is lined up. There it is right there. It's lined up perfectly. Let's get our Phillips. Can you see that?
Yeah.
All right, so let's get our Phillips screw and stick that back in there. Tighten it up. All right, and you want to tighten it up just till it stops. You don't want to over tighten that, because you'll pop that. Get the old one. If you over tighten that, you'll either strip that out or you break the glue. It looks like this has been tried to be repaired before. You'll just break this glue right off of there. All right, so that is perfect. Align our Christmas tree lights up with the 2 holes. Push them into place. What you laughing for?
You said Christmas tree lights.
Oh yeah, Christmas tree clips. All right, let's get our 15. Hey, where the heck you go?
You put it on the floor.
There it is. Okay. Let's get our 15 Torx bolt screw and put that back in there. And when you tighten this up, just tighten it up till it just stops. That's going to be good enough. All right, let's tighten that up. All right, it is tight. It's good. Close the door. And take off. Ooh, yeah, boy. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That is up there perfect. Rubber moving down there. All right, guys. I hope this helped you out. Take care.